Hey, this is Rush. I am really excited about this video today. What we're going to be doing is adding real user reviews to your Shopify product pages directly from Sell the Trend. So we'll be taking a product page that looks like this and adding reviews at the bottom that look like this. Now, doing this is going to be super easy and super quick. So let's jump in and see how it's all done. So back here in Sell the Trend, to start, you need to install our Shopify review app called Viva Reviews. And you can do this by clicking the link in the left here that says import reviews. Now you can install this app completely for free and you'll be able to start adding reviews to your product pages right away without spending a dime. Now, adding social proof to your product pages like this is a huge part of improving your conversion rate and ultimately making more sales. So once you have installed the app, all you have to do is make sure to reload the page. Now, when you click on import reviews again, you will be taken directly into the Viva Review app. Now, you don't ever have to come back here and do anything. Once we set this up once, you never have to come back to Viva Reviews unless you want to obviously edit the reviews. There's a lot of management options here that you can do to edit the reviews, but we're not going to discuss Viva Reviews in this video. We're going to talk about the integration between Viva Reviews and Sell the Trend. So let's go back to Sell the Trend and see exactly how we're going to be able to add these reviews directly from Sell the Trend. So let's go to our Manage and open up our product page here. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding reviews to this product here. So you're going to now see a brand new button here that says import reviews. So let's click on this button here and let's try to add a review to this watch. Click on this button and you're going to get this pop-up, and all you have to do is click on import. Give it a couple of seconds. And that's it. 50 reviews imported, and we can go check out the product page and let's go see where the reviews are. And here we go. Awesome looking reviews directly on your product pages. So that is pretty much it. It's really that simple and really that quick to add product reviews directly to your store pages, to your product pages. Now let's dig a little bit deeper and just kind of give you a couple of things here that you can do to improve your results with Viva Reviews. Now, this URL here is automatically populated based on the supplier that you have chosen for this product, but you have the ability to add any AliExpress URL that you want in here. For example, if you found a supplier that has more reviews or better reviews, you can definitely add that in here. Now, let's look at one more thing here that I like to do to customize Viva Reviews just a little bit. That's going to give you a better quality reviews. Let's go to import reviews. This will take us to the Viva Review application, and let's click on import settings. And here are a couple of things that I like to do to, again, just make things look a little bit better. So what I like to do is switch this reviews without content off, because I don't really want reviews that don't have any reviews. They'll just have a rating and there won't really be anything for your shoppers to read. So I like to switch that off. I also like to switch review without photo. I don't like to have any reviews without photo, so I can switch that off. Now, if you want, you can choose to only have 4 or 5-star reviews. I don't recommend that. I like to keep it at 4 and 5 stars. It just looks more authentic this way. And then there's a bunch of other options here you can do to kind of mess around and see if you want to import different number of reviews per each one, or if you want a fixed quantity. And there's a whole bunch of options that you can do here. But once you save this once you update this and save this once, you really never have to come back to Viva Reviews unless you want to edit reviews or delete reviews or anything like that. You never really have to come back here. You can just manage everything directly from your Sell the Trend account. And that's why it's going to be super easy for you to add these kind of reviews that are really going to improve your bottom line really quickly directly from Sell the Trend.